Welcome all again. Today to celebrate this amazing occasion as Dawnn and Nana commit vows to one another in the presence of you, their loved ones, and in the presence of God. We've come together in the presence of God to witness the marriage of Nana and Dawnn, to ask his blessing on them and to share in their joy.
Therefore, as God's chosen people, holy and dearly loved, clothe yourselves with compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness, and patience. Bear with each other and forgive one another if any of you has grievance against someone. Forgive as the Lord forgave you. And over all these virtues, put on love, which binds them all together in perfect unity.
I, Nana, take you, Dawnn,
To be my wife.
to be my wife,
To have and to hold.
to have and to hold,
From this day forward.
from this day forward,
For better, for worse.
better for worse,
For richer, for poorer.
for richer, for poorer,
In sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health,
To love and to cherish.
to love and to cherish,
Till death do us part.
to death do us part.
According to God's holy law.
According to God's holy law,
In the presence of God, I make this vow.
in the presence of God, I make this vow.
I like woman, I dey straightforward. I like truth and I dey rock rumors. I don't know what you want to do, but make you let me know if you go show up well. Because I don't buy this, so I don't buy Shayo for Yado. I don't call Gaga, I don't call my guys around. I don't call my mama, I tell them say you bambo. I don't call everybody, I call everybody, but I see you for it.